Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to PEIPEI update today. And right now we can see that this coin is doing like unnecessarily some few failures. We try to get above the line here, and then eventually we drop down again. So it's really hard to navigate what exactly is going to happen with the coin. So you can see that we're still not really breaking above. I would actually suggest one thing, and that is try to make a confirmation on the daily time frame, okay? Because the daily still is struggling big time to get above this yellow line that you see. So that yellow line is still not been broken. It's actually still not broken in such a way that we maintain the prices above the line. So we need to maintain the prices above the line. On the 1 hour time frame, it's a little bit noisy, so that's why I'm actually suggesting that on the daily, keep an eye on the daily time frame. Now, of course, there's one more thing I want to talk about, and that is you still have this morning star, and morning star also shows that if PEIPEI comes down to 1064, that's going to be game over, and you're going to be looking at 520. So if you end up coming down here, take that stop out, then you're looking for a very big drop all the way to the downside. Now also be careful that we do not start to make a bearish pennant here. If you start to make a bearish pennant and eventually break, you are going to really fall way below to the downside. You have to take the trend line, and you're going to notice that from here, if you make that bearish pennant, then you'll absolutely drop big time, almost nearly down to 725. So if this consolidation continues for some few more days, and then you end up making a pattern that is known as a bear flag or a pennant, then eventually you break down, then you're really looking to push even way more lower to the downside with PEIPEI. Now, if this is a bother to you, well, I do have some few solutions. You see, on Discord, on Trade Ideas, I've actually posted one more pattern for you for absolutely free, which is a channel. So if you do actually look at the channel at the moment right here, then what you can do with the channel is that you can actually trade the channel, maybe sell at the resistance, or maybe wait for the breakout and then you buy at the support and then you push it up, or maybe sell it here and then you push it down. Okay, so this is what the horizontal channel is. It's written, everything is written for you right there. Nothing is hidden. The breakout, you can trade it. Resistance zone, you can trade it down. Support zone, you can buy back. So these are all options, and I do have the coin that looks like this. Okay, so the coin is right now right over here. So is it gonna go up? You can actually have a 46% opportunity. Is it going to go down? You still have another opportunity, but it's actually sitting at the resistance right now. So what's going to happen, right? If you're a trader, you want to actually have all this for free, absolutely free of cost, check the comment section and join the Discord for free. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.